Hello, this is Yurley Carolina Ortiz Corredor. I will presentation my amazing future. Continue. One question. Can you tell me some information about yourself? One, I am the study in the Bush's administration program. I am 21 years old. I work as a supervision, the coal yard, and I live with younger brother. Next. Second question, what are your current goals? One, we into my first motorcycle. If I keep saving, this month I will be able to buy my motorcycle. And two, I want pass in this semester clearly if I had hand in all the assignment, and I will be able to pass the semester clearly. For three, if I take adventure of every minute, I will be able to enjoy my life day by day. Next, three questions. What can you say about your midterm goals? One, in 2 years I will not be studying, by that years I will be graduating. Two, when I graduate, I don't want to be in the same job. I will have better job opportunity. Three, if I work disciplinedly, I will be able to take my family to see to say. Continue for question. Can you describe your long-term goals? One, when I have a stable job, I will buy my house for my mom. Two, if I want to walk with my family, I will hope to buy a car. And three, in a few years, I want to study the international bushes. And thank you for attention.